Hey physics folks, let's take a look at Ohm's law, which is some basically foundational math that is incorporated with electric circuits. So, what is Ohm's law? Very simply, the voltage in a circuit equals the current in that circuit times the resistance that you find there. So, V equals IR. V, voltage, makes sense. R, resistance, makes sense. I, current. Dang it. C was already taken, I guess. So, I stands for intensity of current. There you go. Jot this down on your handout. You don't have to remember it. Now, if you have a formula like this, you can rearrange it algebraically to get three other formulas. So if you need to know the voltage, current times resistance. If you need to know the current, voltage divided by resistance. If you need to know resistance, voltage divided by current. Also, we have units. I will take points off if you don't include the units. I am a jerk. So for voltage, it's volts. Nice and easy. Current, amps, or capital A. Resistance, ohms, or Greek letter omega. They're kind of fun to draw. Go ahead if you want, or you could just write the word out. It's up to you. All right. Get those down on your handout, and then take a look at all this stuff down here. But I'm going to go over the simple circuit calculations. So it would be like if we had a battery and a light bulb, and that's it. Let's see how we'd use Ohm's law. All right, here it is. Simple circuit. We've got a 10-volt battery over here hooked up to a 5 ohm resistor. Now this symbol, this little zigzag, is a resistor. Some folks use this for a light bulb. It is what it is. You'll get used to it if you're using it in a certain context. All I know is it's definitely used for a resistor. So 5 ohms is our resistance. So I need to know what? Well, I know voltage and I know resistance, so I don't know anything about current. So I'm going to use the formula to solve for current. Voltage divided by resistance, 10 volts divided by 5 ohms equals 2 amps. All right. Final answer, yes, give me the $1 million. There it is. All right. Simple circuits are pretty straightforward. Figure out what you know. Figure out which formula to use because of what you know. And what you don't know, I don't know current, so that means I'm going to use this one. And then plug in your numbers to get your answer. All right. Pretty straightforward. Series and parallel circuits, we have to do a little more with it. Let's take a look at that in the next video.